Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, how are you? Shib price prediction. Improved sentiment brings 011 into view after a bearish Friday. Shib found support this morning. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will grow Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Avoiding sub-010 levels would bring resistance levels into play this afternoon. On Friday, Shiba Inu coin fell by 3%. A bearish session saw a fall to sub-010 levels before a partial recovery. Fears of a US recession, sentiment towards monetary policy, and news of the EU agreeing on a crypto regulatory framework weighed. Technical indicators flash red, with Shib sitting below the 100-day EMA. On Friday, Shiba Inu coin fell by 3.00%. Reversing a 1.37% gain from Thursday, Shib ended the day at 1,002. A bullish start to the day saw Shib rise to an early morning high of 1058 before hitting reverse. Coming up short of the first major resistance level at 1070, Shib slid to a late morning low of 099 before finding support. Finding support at the first major support level at 098, Shib ended the day at 1,002. The Friday pullback saw Shib align more closely with the broader crypto market. While Bitcoin and others fell for a sixth consecutive session, Shib saw red for the third time in 6 sessions. Coinbase Commerce inclusion delivers continued this week. Coinbase announced the inclusion of Shiba Inu coin to the Coinbase Commerce platform, delivering support. The news came off the back of Crypto.com announcing the removal of Shib from the crypto exchange's Earn program earlier in the week. Real-world adoption trumped the Crypto.com announcement in the week. At the time of video, Shib was flat at 1,002. A mixed start to the day saw Shib rise to an early morning high of 1,008 before falling to a low of 987. Shib left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Technical indicators a move through the 1020 pivot to target the first major resistance level at 1040 and the Friday high of 1058. Broader market sentiment would need to improve to support a return to 1010. An extended rally should test the second major resistance level at 1080 and resistance at 1100. The third major resistance level sits at 115. Failure to move through the pivot would leave the first major support level at 098 in play. Barring an extended sell-off throughout the day, Shib should avoid the second major support level at 095. The third major resistance level sits at 088. Shiba Inu has struggled for consistency recently, but one can let go of this considering the hyper-volatility in crypto markets, especially given the Terra and 3AC crashes. At the height of the crisis, Shib dropped to as low as 072 but gradually recovered with the recovering market. Currently trading at 098, Shib is still bullish as compared to its price of the 29th of June. This is a rare sight in the crypto market, especially after Bitcoin fell below $20,000 again and news of 3AC's insolvency took charge. Since the March 2020 COVID-19 pandemic bottom, cryptocurrencies have run absolute circles around the stock market. Whereas the benchmark S&P 500 has pretty much doubled in 2 years, the aggregate value of all digital currencies is up by more than 1,200% to $1.88 trillion. Though crypto's big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, get a lot of credit for this surge in digital currency market value, it's the historic increase from meme coin Shiba Inu, 0.37%, that has really dropped jaws. Shiba Inu's 2021 gains were historic when 2021 began. Shiba Inu was one of seemingly dozens of Shiba Inu-inspired coins looking to capitalize on the craze that pushed Dogecoin significantly higher. But in less than 10 months, these same tokens would rocket as high as 8,841. Visually, it might be difficult to tell the difference between these two tiny numbers, but between January 1st and October 27th of 2021, Shiba Inu ate up 6 zeros after its decimal point and delivered a peak intra-year gain of around 121 million%. In other words, an investment of $1 at midnight on January 1, 2021 could have made a patient, lucky investor a millionaire. When the curtain closed on 2021. Can Shiba Inu hit $1 by mid-decade? With Shiba Inu absolutely crushing it last year, its holders and social media supporters are hoping for an encore performance. In fact, some even believe it could eventually make a run to $1 per token. The big question is, can Shiba Inu reach $1 perhaps by the midpoint of the decade? Before I dive into my view, let's examine the multiple catalysts that would be needed to push SHIB from microscopic fractions of a penny to parity with the US dollar by 2025. To begin with, the public launch of Layer 2 blockchain solution Shibarium needs to occur sooner than later and go off without a hitch. The purpose of Shibarium is to significantly drive down transaction fees involving SHIB tokens. Pushing fees lower will not only make SHIB a more attractive payment option for merchants, but it's also the key step to fueling blockchain-based gaming. At the moment, Shibarium is being tested privately. The next core catalyst is the development and launch of non-fungible token, NFT-based gaming. Although we've already witnessed a handful of blockchain-based games generating significant revenue, Shiba Inu can't launch gaming until Shibarium can be trusted to substantially bring down transaction fees. Once Shibarium is publicly launched, NFT marketplaces can thrive. So what does it all mean for SHIB? Can we expect a bullish run now? SHIB is all we have for now. As per a recent sentiment tweet, network activity on the Shiba Inu network has been on a rise. Furthermore, latest data suggests there is a 35% increase in active addresses in the past 10 days alone. This is a big step forth for the struggling meme token. Interestingly, there is increased hope for a bull run for SHIB now. Investors are hoping that after completing the burning of 400 trillion tokens, Shiba can pick it off from here. However, a quick look at the metrics can be important to get a better idea of investors' sentiment. A reading of the market cap shows a recent surge after a tremendous recovery from the crash earlier in June. Currently standing at $5.42 billion, SHIB's market cap fell from $6.55 billion just over 4 days ago. This represents a big chunk that is now lost from the Shiba Inu network. The second best gainer among the top 100 cryptos at press time was Leo, which has gained 0.33% on the day, but recorded losses across the previous week. At the same time, SHIB is one of the most trending coins on CoinMarketCap at the moment, second only to STEPN, GMT. This data, combined with the daily gains, could indicate that the interest of crypto traders in SHIB is slowly returning. Shortly after Finbold reported on Google search queries entailing the keyword, buy SHIB, recorded a drop of 100% from a popularity score of 8 in 2021 to an all-time low of 0 on June 22. SHIB price decrease YTD. That said, SHIB has recorded a drop in value of more than 70% since the year's turn, and most of its holders are currently in losses. As Finbold reported in late June, data has revealed that investing $100 in SHIB from June 2021 to June 2022 every 14 days for a total of 27 investments, $2,700, would result in $2,190.65 of value in Shiba Inu. In other words, you would be at a loss. Shiba Inu team unveils bone farms proposal. Results: SHIB community votes in favor of bone farming halting. The halt was proposed by the community upon reaching 230 million tokens. The proposal was passed with 97.88% of the votes in favor. According to a recent report, the Shiba Inu community has unanimously chosen to stop all bone farming once it reaches 230 million tokens. The 20 million tokens left over will be reserved for validators. The initiative received over 98% of the community's support through the decentralized autonomous organization Doggy DAO. Alternatively, voters could have boosted the number of tokens in circulation to 270 million. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.